Welcome back, guys, to another interesting video. In this video, I will provide you with a game turbo which will help you to get maximum performance and FPS in any low-end devices. Guys, please don't skip any part of the video. So let's get to our video. Guys, first download the Game Turbo from the description. After downloading it, install it. After the installation of the Game Turbo, guys, you will see a lot of in-game turbo. To get maximum performance and FPS, follow me as I am doing. And get the maximum FPS in your potato device. Guys, if this game turbo works for your potato device, so don't forget to smash the subscribe button and click like. Thanks for watching.